So right now we're about to go on a mission. See that house right there?
Yeah.
We're gonna go sneak in it. There's a construction worker doing
But we don't really care.
that thing. We're gonna go sneak in without him seeing us. Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
This is so bad.
Ew, it smells like poop.
It smells so bad.
It smells really bad. I don't know.
Wait, should we go?
Yes.
I feel like
Go.
he's gonna come. This is so bad. I can't.
What?
The claw! Well, it's stabbing.
Should we hide it? Ah! He's listening to music, so
Yeah.
he won't be able to hear us.
I love it. The claw.
This is fun, Grin. We should... It's right there. Oh my god, somebody coming. Grin, how do we get out?
I don't know, because what if he's gonna be there for a while? This is really bad.
So we're trying to figure out how to get out of this place because he's like
Now we're stuck in this bit.
because he's like blocking the place
And when he's facing.
when he turns.
Yeah.
One of us should go and then like wave signal the other person.
Oh yeah.
Through there.
Yeah.
All right. This is our mission. Are you gonna go first?
Yeah, he can't.
All right.
I can. If I ever go to Brayden's house, I can tell him.
No. He's like right there. Gosh, he's blocking the doorway and I'm really scared. It's like we got lost in the woods.
Yeah.
We're like stuck. We're stuck in here. It's right there. We're blocked in here. Oh my gosh. Oh no. How do we get out? Man,
This is a thrill.
he does not look like a very nice person. Oh my god, I think he saw me.
Oh no, what if Brayden's parents yell at us? My mom's gonna yell at us. Let's go against the swamp. Okay. We're about to escape. Noelle. Huh? He's here.
Oh my god. The owners have arrived. We hear them stomping up there.
Yeah. Just wait. There's a bird in here trying to get in.
There's birds in here. I wonder what he's listening to. His back is turned. His back is turned, Grin. We could go now. Nope. Okay, so we just got freed.
What a thrill.
So that's our adventure.
safe.
Oh wait. So
Thanks for coming along with us.